final piece for getting this car ready for the drift track just came in the mail, and we also have a definitive day for the first drift day, which is gonna be Wednesday, May 8th, which means you guys are gonna be seeing the first drift day video go live Friday, May 10th. If you wanna see when that video goes live, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. But for today, we're gonna be installing the harness into the car. I do have to run harnesses in this car, being that I'm running an aftermarket seat and I have a soft top, so we'll get that installed today. I'm gonna double check as well just to make sure that I have the overflow reservoir topped off so I don't overheat. But that's what we got going on today, so I am gonna have to modify the harness just because the harness that we got is bolt-in style for the shoulder straps, and the way that I'm gonna be mounting it is actually gonna be wrapped around the harness bar. So I'm gonna end up cutting this piece off here so we can make it work, and yeah, let's get started on that. Tight. Go. Now I'm just gonna take all these washers off the factory seatbelt, go ahead and swap them over to the new strap, and then I'm going to place the new strap mounted onto the chassis where the original seatbelt went. I just finished the install on the harnesses, and honestly that wasn't that bad. I also ended up adding some coolant to make sure that that wasn't low. I checked the oil level, the oil was a little bit low, so I'm gonna top that off. Brake and clutch fluid are both topped off, so now the only thing left to do is I'm gonna double check to make sure that my wheels are torqued properly, and we should be good for next week's drift event. I apologize if this video was all over the place, but everything's installed and ready for the drift day, which is gonna be Wednesday, May 8th. But you guys will be seeing the first drift video go up Wednesday, May 10th on Friday. With that being said, I'm gonna leave you guys off with the montage of the finished Miata, and I'll catch you in the next one.